there's a big typhoon, but I'm at Sendai. I think it's a little bit better, but not that better. Holy shit! Oh my god! Oh my god! In Japan, typhoon is really common, but this time, basically the entire Japan is whole red, and keeping getting all the alarm of go hiding, everything. It's not that big anymore, but still you can hear the winds. Oh my god, this is from low to high, and look, except in Okinawa, this area, the entire Japan. It's 11 p.m. and the rain's completely stopped. The typhoon is gone. And look this! My plants! Ah! It's drowning! Oh my god, no. Wow. Oh my god. Anyway, I'm happy that everything's fine.